Welcome to my lesson today. Today I'll be teaching English language for grade 6. And then we are looking at prefixes and suffixes. We've already treated prefixes and suffixes. We looked at the definition of what a prefix is and what a suffix is, and some examples of prefixes. We paid particular attention to some selected prefixes and suffixes. So for the prefixes, we looked at examples like an, re, pre, di, dis, sub, pro. And also for suffixes, we looked at some suffixes like er, able, full, ly, less. So having done this, for our lesson today, we are looking at adding prefixes and suffixes to root words to make new words. So we are going to learn how to add prefixes and suffixes to root words in order to make new words. Our aim is also to create new words and learn the meanings of these words which we've created with the help of prefixes and suffixes, and also learn the meaning of the prefixes and suffixes that are going to be used. In achieving our lesson today, we are going to use an online digital game, and we are picking this online digital game from the website funenglishgames.com. So we went on to grammar games, and specifically I selected prefix suffix game. This game is actually going to help my students to practice how to form words using prefixes and suffixes, and also how they can find the meanings of these words, how they can know the meanings of these words, and the meanings of the prefixes and suffixes they are using as well. Let's begin the game for us to take note of. In practicing this online digital game, we are going to use prefixes and suffixes to build words. And in all, there are 10 words to play with. And there are 4 with prefixes and 4 with suffixes, and 2 where both can be used. Let's look at the rules for the game. So first of all, you'll be given an opportunity to use some prefixes to add to a particular root word. So you keep trying until you get the right thing. It is only when you are able to get the correct word that you move ahead. And so it's a build up at every point. So we've been given our root word here, and then we have to choose from the section at this side where the prefixes are so that we can make a new word. So in playing the game, submarine. So this is correct, and so I'm encouraged. Well done. Then the meaning of the particular prefix has been given, and also the meaning of the word. And then you are asked to try the next word. So you make some progress. Pre-comfortable. So here students can try and look for the suitable word. And in case they even decide to choose pre-comfortable, that is not knowing whether it's a word or not, it's wrong. So it says that's not right. It doesn't even come outright and say that this is wrong. Then it gives the meaning of the particular prefix that was paired with the root word. Pre means before and doesn't work with this word, and it tells the student to try again. So the student keeps trying until they get the right thing. Okay. So once the student gets it, they are encouraged. Well done. Then they move on to the next one. So at every point, they are given the meaning of the particular prefix and also the meaning of the word together. And that is helping us to achieve our lesson's objectives. So we move on to the suffixes. So this helps us to practice adding suffixes to root words to make new words. So the students keep trying to see which particular word would work best with the suffix and then chooses it. So here it takes them to a higher level where they have to use a combination of the two. They have to make sure that they are choosing the right prefix and the right suffix. And so when they choose the inappropriate word, they are told outright that that is not appropriate and that's not a word people use. And that's a kind way of actually telling somebody they are wrong. And the fact that this is a tricky one, but you can make a real word, keep trying. And this encourages the students to keep trying to make a correct word. So once the student gets this word right, they are quickly encouraged. Well done. And then they are given the meanings of the various prefixes, suffixes, and then the meaning of the word altogether, helping us to achieve the lesson's objectives. After choosing the right prefix, you choose the right suffix, and then together make a new word. Then you are given the meanings of the prefixes, the suffixes, and the meaning of the word together. So after everything has been done, then the student is congratulated. Well done, you've completed all 6 words. Do you want to try them again? And this gives the opportunity to students to even try the game and perfect it in case they were not able to do well at first. They have the chance to play with the words until they have been able to master the use of these prefixes, suffixes, having learned new words and also the meanings of these prefixes and suffixes.